Hey, what's up? Brent from Brenspeed. Today's awesome. You know why? 14 Raptor. You know I have a lot of favorite vehicles, but as far as Raptors go, I love the V8. So we have the 6.2 Raptor in today. I'm a big fan of EcoBoost. This one's Whipple Supercharged. We installed camshafts, got a set of long tubes. We're gonna watch a dyno pull. Hey, EcoBoosts are awesome, but you just can't get the sound of it you can out of the 6.2 liter. So this client of ours right here, so we have a 14 running 93 octane. He just uses this as a weekend fun vehicle. Clearly, by looking at it, you can probably tell that. I think he goes out to the dunes and has a lot of fun with it, but he's a lot of Mustangs. We built a lot of Mustangs for him, and this is just like his weekend fun vehicle right here. So I have Doug with me. We're gonna go down. We're gonna take a look at the Whipple. We're gonna talk about it. We're gonna say what's on it. We're gonna watch that dyno pull. And hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify us, stay up to date. Let's go check it out. So you have more questions about this? This is the Stage 2 kit. I will put a link in the description. You can click on, read more about it. Email quote@brenspeed.com. Say, hey, what's that cost to get installed? But the Stage 2 kit, Doug, come take a look. It's the 2.9 liter Whipple. It's an awesome setup. It's a complete kit, and it's actually 50 state legal. So you get 60-pound fuel injectors, a twin 68mm throttle body, air induction system, and on their heat exchanger, by default, which they don't do on the new Mustangs, you get the dual fans. It's a killer setup. You have liver noise, motorsport camshafts, the set of headers, and that's it on this. So it's a sweet setup to just go out and have a lot of fun. Check out this dyno pull. All right, we're gonna take one more look at the truck before I finish here. But DynoJet SAE, real horsepower, 541 at 6,000 RPM. Torque is stellar, 500, peaking at 4,000, and over 450 right when we go wide open throttle, all the way across the board. So this is the 2.9 Whipple, the Stage 2 kit. Liver noise cams, yes, we did do a custom tune, but with big wheels and tires like this, on a truck like this, that has awesome numbers. So we got the 6.2, I love it. Like I said, I love the V8. I mean, my Expedition is an EcoBoost, and you're never gonna get the sound out of that you're gonna get out of something like this. But we were talking to the client, like, what's up right here? And you just wanted something that was different. When he takes us out, I imagine when he goes out to the dunes with this thing, he gets a lot of attention with it. I think that's kind of the point. So it's a pretty fun truck. We get a lot of Raptors coming here for upgrades, like EcoBoost ones, maybe do like a Whipple intercooler or some, exhaust or whatever. But this truck is out being used. A lot of people use them for their daily drivers. This one right here is about weekend fun, which is awesome. So if you have a Mustang, I hope you do that too. I'm Brent from Brenspeed. If you have any questions, leave a comment. We're happy to answer. Remember, description, I'll put link to the Supercharger and email quote@brenspeed.com and say, hey, what's that cost to get installed? 14 Raptor 6.2 right there. Thanks for watching.